Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today it's Hey RVW, how am I going to know that I like camping in an RV so I know if I want to buy one? We get this question quite a bit. A lot of people have submitted it recently as the whole pandemic thing took place, right? People are thinking, man, I want to be on the road, I want to be doing something. How about camping? But what if I don't like it, right? What if I buy an RV and I don't like camping in it? First of all, we never meet those people, but it's a fair question, and there's a really great way to make sure that you're going to like camping. Rent one, okay? Just go rent one. For example, we rent travel trailers, motorhomes, right? And it doesn't have to be the exact one you're going to be in. You just want to see, do I kind of like the overall feel of this, right? Is it enjoyable to me? Do I enjoy going to campgrounds, things like that? Do I enjoy driving my motorhome? Will I enjoy towing a travel trailer? So it just enables you to answer those questions, check some boxes, and you'll know when you're done if you like it or not. The other really cool thing that we do for customers, if you go to our rental website, which is rentals.rvwholesalers.com, so rentals.rvwholesalers.com, if you go there, you rent an RV from us, we will actually take your rental fee and we'll put it towards your purchase price. So you're not even out anything. So it's a really smart thing to do. Well, you know, guys, we're nowhere near you. We're not in Ohio. You can fly in and rent from us. A lot of people do that from all over the country. They see the beautiful state of Ohio, right, and then fly back home. And if that's not of interest to you, find a place local. You know, you can just go on Google and search RV rentals and you'll be able to find someone. But again, we'd love for you to come rent from us. And again, your rental fee actually comes off your purchase price when you realize you love it and you want to do it permanently. If you have any other questions, give us a call. We'd love to help you. 877-877-4494. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page where you'll see tons of videos just like this.